Heroclip was originally a crowd-funded concept. The product is simple, intuitive, and incredibly versatile. It's a 3-in-1 clip, swivel, and hook with a rubber tip that allows you to store, hold, carry, organize, and easily access gear of any sort on any adventure or in daily life. An extra hand was exactly what I needed when I came up with the idea for Heroclip. I was a very active parent of 2 small kids, training to summit Mount Rainier and juggling 100 other things. I love getting outside and exploring, and I wanted to have a tool that I could use for all the different things I do, not just one or the other. So we created a tool that does it all, a tool that makes it easier to do all the things you want to do every day.